Nawo.
Hayibo yimi nombali.
Yimi nombali.
Simemeza leso zinto lazo. Sezikhuzwa hayi.
Yabo buka lento buke le.
Mama wasipeli Fanta orange.
Ukuzama. Nanga.
Kubo.
Yo,
Buku kuchitha nezone.
hayi wena. Ayi ngento esikhulumayo.
Oh, leka.
Ekusewona lapho sikhe.
Hayi la uhleli lezinye mfana. Uthule thina siyakhohle ukuthi ulaphi.
Domunga thandomunga. Hayi thengisulu kuzama uzozangona thi ukuthi.
Oh, what the fuck that is calling me?
Hawu. Fana. Bayicabanga lezi.
Ba usebenza. Usebenza. Uthi ngisele leqosha lelapha ngazi ukuthi
Mamela. Sanibona.
siyakubona. Awuma ivale ngathi bengisayibuka mina ngajena.
Awuthanda abantu besifazane mshana.
Eh?
Abathanda abantu besifazane.
Angibathandi.
Nani bafethu nabo abochela bahle.
Zoma kuyabika.
Atakathini inkinga yini?
Hayi.
Yasi. Sikhathele lezi. Hi Felicia. Alright Felicia.
Awu Felicia.
Fuck Felicia. Mina ngiyashisa.
Ngathi ngifalile.
Falidi, awubawa ngifalidi.
Ngikhathazwe skini.
Intombi yambali.
Ngifalile esinye isinoko.
Usisikalo kunjani ngentombi yakho?
Utshani wemsukama.
Sisentombi yakho. Falidi. Ngimazi nawe phela nami.
Ufalile ya. Ya siswetshele yakho.
Chela yakho fuck fake.
Ufalile wa utshele lambali.
Ya ufalidi chela yambali.
Ufalile. Sho. Awu. Manifalile otro fish.
Hotpot.
Yole ntwalizo.
Zobona.
Manje intwana ngifuna ilahleke yami.
Mafethe ntanisa yekho store.
Balena.
Zobula lokadam. Lil Flex ojola lenosipho. Amfetha ngaza I can't answer that.
Joli nje lona le Josi.
Nale
Meki nonosipho amantombazane kwethu. Jola nonosipho.
khona leki khona aphiwe.
Yo! Bwana wafropisi izinto zakhe.
Ngithi mina khona leki aphiwe khona unosipho. Akajoli nonosipho. Hayibo baya angazi. Angazi.
Muda kakhulu ukuyulo le yamakho.
Buya kwa box. Zakhale kwa boxini.
Ngibona bayafonela manje.
Balance man.
Woli. Woli ba. I'm sorry.
Yeah, sorry for what manje.
Abakhiphi code.
Hola boss. Tata na watu la. Hola boss.
Hola boss. Thank you for the page. Number 1 page. Amaron models wa quality man. Kabani biyela.
boss.
Mfoka biyela. Yebo bhuti.
Ithi ama role model wami.
Hayi uyazi ukuthi ubani ufaka umsebenzi
Uyacaba quality ukuthi awufana nomodel wakhe.
Uba.
Show me.
Cha usho mina ngokuba yighost.
Show me.
Usho mina ngokuba
Usho mina
we quality mfethu sacela ukhuluma ukuthi uba ighost la. Uthina sobathathu.
Awukhulume quality mfethu.
Kuthina sobathathu ukuthi uba ighost la. Letswaskela majita. Ya. Letswaskela.
Esayobhala.
Letswakada.
Aritswada mfana. Bathene mbali ukuthi bhali finally yakho. Akright mina ngibhala semboyeni. Letswaskela majida. Ya bathwaskela mfethu. Uthi quality ngirole model yakhe cha. Ukufelish wakho bro.
Hawu wena socabanga ufalida wakho.
Awu mfethu.
Wena mina ngicela unono Jola ngono. Jola no
Umbali.
Kiyalethu,
Jona faliti ngakhe ngazo Jona faliti. Kuba lo Jona Faith.
Ezuma sebathe yakho manje
Yalindwa ufanele Faith. bambamba kanje kodwa kumbe sethe ilapha uyamazi nengijwayela kabi angizokukhumbuza intombi yakho usodla mina intombi yakho I'm located in Brokot Spruit. Yo, shame. It's located at Jozi, inside down. When I touched the RS game, yeah, what me I 2002 is getting the 2002.
Ngicanti wayiqoka iguru le.
Leyisiphinde ka8.
Mina ngiqedile bafethu ngishoda nge2 weeks nyana.
Hayi ingela manje ugqokile namhlanje.
Shoda nge2 weeks nyana.
Wena nje ushoda
2 weeks. Hey Dennis.
Dennis.
Hi Tenji, thank you for joining the live. Oh,
uyayazi le ethi ifunda amagama wamalena zesiklassini ithi ifika khona uDennis. Yes. Ifika khona uDennis ithi nice. How you doing? How you fine? And you? How is your buffet? Now siyatebula. Suka from the school, ox the cable. Book nazi intombi. Utayisa ngayo lo mfana guys. Kahle nje mamfakile emkhala kahle. Ubani lo mbali? Lo othi amkhodi uDennis angimazi. Dennis ukwazi umanxumalo ubani ukwazi ukuqula ayaqula namathala bamba nje yini ukuqula phela ukuqula phela ukula ngeenduku mfethu manje uqonda ukuthini phela thina sizoqula amacala mfethu kanti lesulelo ukula ngeenduku nene noma befuna ukuthi bakwazi ukucula uqula lo muntu uyabazi nje la igoli ukuthi bathi
yimi rapper abantu abacula
manje lo Dennis ayabona kahle eqalile ku Dennis. Okay, which one? The one with the hair, normal this one or that one? Or the one that
mina whoa before you reply.
Don't be a regular.
Guru. I was joking that girls was joking that mara the most important part.
Khule ngiposta manje a new release song enginikwe uTBO uyangithwala leyo ngoma that song is with uzinxumalo dlala Thukzini no which one of no Funky Q la cabanga
you Funky Q khona kule track
lalela bangaya bathi mintwana yami shaya le track bathi bangaya bathi
which one with her
ngalo TBO you baba that one with Silver Teeth. Ijabula kanje.
Manxumalo. This one is also as Data Silver.
Data Silver. Ubani? Isilungu sibalekile. Asikombe nozumu ufaka izinto. That wewethu. Dumelang. Lemo hello. Hayi wena kuthiwa Dumelo kai. Hayi hello.
Yeah, akusho ukuthi Dume.
Wearing a white jersey.
Kuthiwa Dumelani.
No, kuthiwa no, he was wearing a white jersey. This one. Phela. You are in a room or what?
I would love to link up.
Mention. You are taking it, never coming back. Tyler. Now Tyler. No, it's a girl. Love you guys.
Tyler. Tyler move.
Please bring him back. Lo, noma usho lo. Phela lo akana ma silver teeth. Hayi,
Noto ya. Yo. Abani bandelamu yanga.
Nangizu.
Ubani. Ithingi
Noto ya.
Noto. Oh! Kuchubani ima
ngicabele
ngicabele
wa hoodie black.
The yellow bone.
What kind of yellow bone? What kind of bone is going to
mina bafetha ngisiyelo bone mina ngushaka ilembe.
Shaka 11. So noma sikamnyama mfethu. Woza phela ifuna ukuvela umbali naye kuthiwa la ngisho mfethu nango lona ibo emthithi ufuna ukuthi kuthiwa naye very sweet the juice thina
The darker the berry, the sweeter the juice.
What?
Ikupa white cheese.
Yesuka wena phana mhlophe khulunywa ngathi ama-blackberry. Maboy. Yabona thina sama-dark sheep. Yena uyi-white sheep.
Black cheese.
Bazothi black hair next.
This is not a Jesse, this is a woody. It's a woody.
Abesifundiswa sithi the hood.
Hayi phela abafundi kakhulu. Hey guys, you load up. Black color yamanyola. Where's the thread head? If there's thread head bayakufuna. Ayi naku. Ma yeza. Ayi wena sokulovela. Uzothi simfast. Nangu
Ngifuna namazwi yangen-S. Ngifuna uyangen-S wasemzansi.
Hudi.
Ngifuna uyangen-S wasemzansi. Yeah. Kodwa bafana sibahle nasi ngayibona le. Ngoba ngicela invite.
what red? Oh. Ufuna yena na?
Akiwo mara nina kinali dread na.
Okay, little flex. Ay obo aphume
Bafethu.
boyeta manje.
Bafethu.
Alufana ngisha kuli wena buka mfethu bayabaleka abantwana babantu ndaba zakho ngisha body ay abantu engidlena ay bayakhupha aba Yona onzi siyazi insizwa ayibi iSulumane yebhaki Kupali number taluna hayi mfethu thina mfethu ama numbers asikhona ukwakhipha ngithola
Amanamba ayadura. Ufuna usenzani kanti?
wonke umuntu olana mfethu kungamboni ehleli kanje shadi aphandle kwami netfele mina ngeke ngenze
Mayancane kwenzakala.
mfethu ngeke phela ngeke into ezaselive ngenxa yokuthi Owe owens Now owens Yes my daughter, can you accept the match there owens Dango bafake let's double tap the screen usayikhuza igrama yabafana sensene nalamakipa semangele manje bazositubula don't shoot us on we don't want to get shot Baba la M hello
Owens.
Ulekala so
Yeah, I love Owens.
You want to see magic?
me I like Ulekala nganya maji na mtesha screen
You want to see magic?
I'm a fast
Close
Double tap the screen lapho face singabe khona live singabe tap screen
Close your eyes.
hayi Ina namhlanje bensangitshela ukuthi ngifuna bani guys manje laba bafethu red locks bayabaleka bolo mara kuna flow bafethu Okay, bafethu and request to join the live. If you request to join the live, make sure you open your camera.
man. Nangu umuntu la ubusile.
Make sure
Awu sama to
We don't like someone who's don't forfeit if you join the line.
it's angimazi mina usilisa masuku ngibabuzile nje ukuthi ubani abangiphendulanga. Bafethu njengoba yade ngisho lana ukuthi mawuzo request to join the live, make sure ukuthi uzovula i-camera. Ungayenzi lento ukuthi ungene live bese ungayivula i-camera.
Abamsile ngaphansi.
Wonke umuntu ukhuluma kakhulu la, akekho ngcono. Bona bonke nje mpeke lo.
Cheers.
Ushabo cheers. Lezuma, angibuye phela ngithathile.
Ngayekho umuntu angashadile la.
Ngathanda omunye kodwa ngikufuna eduze.
Uthini manje Lezuma awuze lo ukhulumisa isicwala.
Arikuhlwe libuwa kawufela. Arikuhlwe lubu. Ngathi uthi asikhulumeni nabo basizwe sonke.
Uthi uthini mina?
Seyidlulile ngabe yabo.
Siyayilanda phela noma kuthiwa idlulile siyayilanda.
Arikuhlwe
Akulibuwa
uthi akasizwe sikhuluma sonke. Asikisi
Asikhuluma one by one. Lemon ama chance okukhuluma.
Baba nama message la hey. Hello guys. Msholozi. Ayani kancane manje.
Msholozi.
Bani manje lo awu uva
Uva uskinya simazi manje.
Hello nkabi zami, sibonele umhlanga ubani lo manje?
Ayizuma ighost.
Usumazi wayenda uyonke.
Msholozi.
Waziwa igoli. Baleka ngithi. Ini sithe Felicia nanguwe wathini wena?
Mfethu menza Felicia.
Nangu dreadlocks,
Angazi Felicia nama ngimazi mfethu cabanga.
Oh,
You'll meet by the way, bro.
Umfazi.
Hayi busimfazi futhi. Siyajwala.
Hawu.
Tshela nobaba.
Hawu.
La sex shop.
Hawu. Wabo ngicabanga lo sex shop.
Utshela noma mukudayisa udayisa ezikolweni.
Funa ukuthola amakota mali.
Ingani ziyakhe
Ngiyabadla amakota.
yena ufuna ukudla amakota mahali.
Ngidlisa noma nini uyayazi nayo yeswa yini
Udakiwe.
Hayi wena.
Awu esekolodiselana. Uyacaba ukuthi umbali yami guys snack nice phone.
Abafana bami.
Oh, uyamsnekisa nawe.
Uyayisha umalume la.
Uyashisela. Awungazivumi singakakuvumi shanami.
Uyasivuma.
Bafethu. Yeah, anisene nama gift phela sibone ukuthi ngisafuna ukuthi sibe khona. Anisene nama gift. Hello guys, hello lapho.
Noma irose
Bathini
Eyodwa.
bani manje lo eslipo?
Lo bethu uzobe kuzuzu.
Maze lapho ngisho lo ungubani wena mfethu wena uqala.
Sisho Ashley ase tax shop.
Amelani.
Yo,
Umulani.
Bola vele bola uyabona
Uyaphuma ulo.
akusiwa Abdul lo.
Muslim.
Do Muslim.
I love you.
Ukhona super.
Yeah, swag Moss.
Yeah.
Awekamba la.
Wena my dog.
Awe. Sikefe game ndanja.
Wasabali base nje la.
Tatu accept my dog.
I mfethu double tap the screen lapho nabo lo muntu usanthi uyashisela double tap the screen if ukhona live. Awu same time masingena nathi CT3 nayo CT3.
Awu Mina ncane manu lapho.
Double tap the screen lapho double tap the screen asabena. Ari guys double tap the screen send lama gift.
Manje seniyashiya nje.
If you don't.
Yo.
Awe always lapho mnandi. Double tap the screen double tap the screen so get share lama gift. Ari guys. Ngeke sekulo muntu kunyaka. Double tap the screen. Kuza. Bakubiza ngoquza ox. Double tap the screen bafethu share. Lama gift kanti kuthina niwafaki. Anifakela aba gift share live with 50 people
Guys
if you
ngayenzi
can.
lento leyo le.
As long as ukhona ukushare le live. Double tap the screen send ama gift.
Guys akwazi ushaya.
Ari.
Kala lo uyahleka lo muntu bethu eslipo.
Oh mfethu. Ngiyakhona ujiva kodwa
Wethu.
Hayi kithi sakwazi
Jiva sokubulala. Ungasi-risk. Asashaya isipalula. Double tap the screen as long as ukhona live in double tap the screen. Singabe khona live in bafethu singa double tap screen. Nakhona why nenza so? For ne jiva so. Bye.
Uyahamba le nto.
Nabantu
bayagijima.
bayaphuma abantu nithu.
Ikhanda liyaduma.
Angithi nithu.
Mfethu ikhandi laduma yini ayidumkana kuduma igame la. Yabona ukuthi kuyashisa mfethu.
Bafethu double tap the screen. Say share the live. Ariyeng bafethu. As long as it's khona live in just double tap the screen. See 23 double tap the screen bafethu.
Tatu kibalana ngoba sibonisa nabantu.
Ale le isibonisa nabantu. Nale ngisho. Batsheleni nabantu.
Double tap bang phela usicela. Double tap bang.
Senithule manje.
Double tap the screen usicela. Double tap the
Ade
screen.
uma kakhulu lo muntu sethule manje.
Asambeni guys.
Ariyeng. Asambeni.
Mbamba 100 manje uya.
Double tap bang sicela.
Umuntu lo uthi ushaya clip about
Straight.
minute. Yo.
Double tap the screen lapho. Double tap.
Kani please niphuza ama cold drink la space.
Dumelang caption bafethu kufanele
Ubani deciding uyiquza wena ubani manje awufunde la
Wena obani deciding uyiquza.
Awu.
qonda uthini la mama
bafethu ngiqopheka stream.
Lento yabona lento ayisho mina
Ngidumile nje
ngiyibamba
la
ngayisipeli.
akambe lapha ku99 sizi speak back
Awusiyacela for double tap the screen sicela.
Bafethu nisipushe nithi 99 bese nithi
Guys,
one
do
la.
this thing man, ningasenza kanjalo kanti kwenza kanjani? Yo, why the Lord? Yo.
102 kanti
Ngiyibona,
awusephenda
lapho ngiyibona ukuthi le ndoda yangena ku20 manje so.
Awusebani lapho senza awusebenzisa
Down to double tap the screen. Aw kanimile isinkinga yini manje? Aw melisa nawe nesa.
awubuye la kwenza ukuthi bayakhumbula
Drama
labantu
nawe umelisa mfethu sibukisa abantu sitshela ukuthi down to double.
Uthini umelisa?
Okay bafethu sekufika ubaba uZuma ke manje ke inje mdaka uZuma Msholozi GTI General Tathinto crown labantwana ngami dankon nithi kwenzakalani khambani ha uyawina haye bafeta create hello tiktok.com ma
Double tap the
okay Izinja we bow down to the gurus Jack. I'm not going back. I had beatbox, I had roaches and rats. Hey, I'm not going back. Making this cheese cannot be this easy. There must be a catch. I'm spinning and making it back. So maybe it's better than that. I used to making it back.
Don't mind them.
Shower that. Please double tap the screen bafethu. Wena bade ngathi uze ngokusihlaza la eJozi. Yeah, abafethu kantini. Hello pretty. Who is one pretty? Sisibone pretty.
Yo, ile ngane yakho.
Wabali. Hayi wena double tap screen lapho. Anishaya Shana ma gift of 400.
Wa bathi abungayibona izinto ezikhuluma naye.
Lokudana le.
Double tap screen lapho. Haya. Hayi wena futhi into zikhuluma emalive.
Lose.
Abafethu.
Hayi baba, lofana lwasimsabi.
Failure is just an option bafethu.
Hayi, bafethu singavumi.
Uzoqala nge50 yamazi mos.
Ubani? Ubani? Le ngene. Double tap screen, double tap screen. Ariyenga bafethu, ariyenga. Singavumi ngashu.
Now yasobuya.
Kabili. Bafethu double tap screen as long as ukhona live in a step in screen send nama gift.
Oh, esithi thepa.
Asibena amaguru sonke baba.
So that emva wala.
Hayi thepa baba. Hello thepa. Please double tap the screen. Thank you, Pretty. Thank you, like it. Keep double tapping.
Bese nisenda namagifts.
Siyamshiya lo mfana lo wenasa lo. Cabanga ukuthi siya out of space. No.
Sisakho.
Let me double tap the screen.
Double tap the screen. Ukhona live in.
JJ. Come on, JJ.
JJ.
Come on, JJ.
Tap screen usenda amagifts phela JJ.
Double tap, bench. Double tap.
Live JJ. Share live to 20 people if you can bafethu. Ariyeng as long as usakhona bafethu share live.
Ngathi ushawa network lo mfana and double tap. Bonus finish 50.
Wena double tap the screen bafethu send amagifts. Roses anyone.
Bafethu ngicela ukubona ama-heart alandelayo.
Bafethu send ama roses we get a follow. 5 roses we get a follow man.
Manje.
5 roses we get a follow man.
Same time.
Manje.
Singashaya le video sonke.
Sokushayela. If you around Jozi, sokubiza uyoshaya video.
Zwakala.
Tap the screen lapho.
You show us love, we show you that much love. Thank you.
Tap the screen. Hey, hello. Share the live. Angabona ukuthi
share the live. That's all.
Asena areng. Send nama comments, guys. Why send nama rose comments? Send nama rose straight, guys. Why nenza so man? Mama Liz. Sorry. Sorry. Double tap lapho. Ngizoshisa kule. Double tap lesa screen. Aying.
Double tap. Sam Shia no father. No more can get like seven.
5 gifts, Buffett, 5 gifts.
Double tap the screen. So shine the number. Eba fethu nginga request nengoma siphethe speaker request nengoma
Marazuma.
yeah, troops double tap the screen mawungana jayam double tap the screen show some love guys, come on abafethu kanti mara yazini siyabonga abafethu siqhubekeni zuma khambani bani mnandi Tepang just join, please share the live. Share the live bafethu double tap the screen
Share the live.
Siphakathi kule.
Share the live. Ayiduma is the trend. Zuma.
Double tap. Hey, about join now. Same correct, Martin.
Thank you for requesting the live. Buffett, so share the live. General, double tap the screen lap.
Double tap the screen. Buffett, we are catch up.
Send me 5 gifts.
We are tap the screen. Let's pause. Double tap. Samben bafethu. Uzophuma amafolo wafakirozwa. Uzophuma amafolo. Manje.
Right now. Arieng. Double tap the screen lapho bafethu. Double tap the screen sakhona.
Yo, embali.
Ngicela oyedwa abantu. Angazi uzothatha move choose masikhethela wena ufuna ba. Abafethu. Double tap the screen, share the live.
Oh, lama.
Double tap. Samben tap. I tap it out. I tap it out.
Ayikhumbula leya kwakho Zuma macingwane uthi
Yo, yatrenda lekwedini. I saw him say he's trending this boy. Thousands and thousands of people are watching him.
Millions.
Easy peasy.
Arieng bafethu asikaphume live nasikapha.
Bafethu. Edufika nama MTV.
Arieng bafethu. Sephelile match le. Bafethu.
Siwini.
Lo omunye nesiphongo. Ubani Ox uwe wesiphongo manje.
Mina nama nginasiphongo.
Manje
Nasiphongo phela uvele ngaso.
Please be a girl. Please.
so shela skatela
Be a girl. A beautiful girl.
Hayi wena soma ima.
A beautiful girl.
ayingathi kwenkwe le ndoda guys jonga yothini kutheni na ngathi lento akayifuni
Tembi, hello Tembi. Hey guys, official Emile. Hello Emile. Sharp. 20 Malondon.
Call me daddy.
Sefuna ukubizwa ngotini. For the guy by name is high.
then now
Bala uthi nawe phezulu kwami bafu.
ngisuka kafuna ukuya shop Zuma baba
Up to that for you. Mama.
Hayi. Oka 16 hayi nanga samfuni ku 16 isho ukuthi sky. Sendifuna sky.
so phela ngibona intombi
Ubani? Ngathi
it's so cruel
Sombona ngoDecember oka 16 height wami. Izinga madoda. Abafethu request amantombazane ma chance hayi kahle.
kanti wayinga request ngale why
Hayi ma chance,
mathi tu request kanjani uyafuna mara why eka ufuna ka mara why Just because of Tini, abanayo into
Ah,
kwenza.
Red Kid.
Izinga.
Eva ready. Bari mini. No,
Nawu
Bari
Thembi. Accept Thembi mfethu.
Emadoda phela seJozi asingakhohlwa iJozi ulwa wasekhaya ngale.
Lalani.
Kamsekhaya wasekhaya ngale. Wasekhaya ngale.
Phela siqhamuka sharp team.
Lalela ngwenya. Hayi.
Hey Tembu sharp.
Can you please speak English?
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks you.
I'm pleased. Can you please open your camera?
Nah, gathi umlungu.
Okay, hold on.
Angisilinga ngisazi.
Huh? Tembi.
Ah. Thembi ngathi uyaxaxaza.
Yeah. Ah, wena ox awulale. Tembi, can you please open your camera?
Ah, kusayilungeza.
Yeah, how do I do this, Uga? How do I open the camera?
This is what you call there's
Nah,
three
so
dots down there by your right.
What
By your
diff-
right hand side. Then you're gonna see
On
the
my right?
Yeah.
Nah, there's no dots.
Huh?
3 dot like
There's no dots.
a continuation of a sentence. Ah,
There's no
then
dots.
Shower ellipses. Ellipses all over.
Yeah, like in Pumi now it's all over the camera, Joe. Sharp. Ah, fair. Awukwazi ukwenza njalo Shilo mos ukuthi wonke umuntu ozongena la live and uzovula iCamera because asikwazi ukuthi usibone wena ungazisiboni. Yeah?
It's live access needed to go live on a video. As a guest, you can go live on audio.
warekhisa iminyaka ngeyona
Ah, bakuvumi. Shuthi abakuvumi TikTok.
Newspeak.
Tozikhuluma.
Ezayihlahla leziyo.
Hawu kuyafana nje. Ubese ukuphi? Awusuke wena. Izenzile sinamba echamba.
Ayinani manje bese
Bafethu
ngigcwalisa
lonke. Labantu abasafuna ngisafuna ba request because manje abavula ama camera. Bafethu ngiyanikwatisa la.
Yo bafethu. Yazi bafethu kube niya requesta.
Kuba ne request ngelist.
Ngisisi wine lama live. Hambani badi.
sure.
Kelu shayele nje le challenge
Yeah, man, now tell us-
trendayo. Iwoy. Yeka mosibani thina sabasekasi ayisuke mayisuka mnganami ayisuke mayisuka bekelela treka shita treka double tap wena double tap
Eh bafethu nge-social topless
Double
nigga
tapper.
thina.
Double tapper.
Nama top thina.
yeah
Double tap the screen lapho bafethu ariyeni.
Ngeke soshawa umuntu osekaso sivalele
Topless.
siphanti impilo la eJozi.
Topless. Bafethu double tap the screen as long as ukhona live.
Double tap, share the screen. Double tap, share the screen. Bafethu, khambani. Khona lokho. Double tap.
Yo.
Sambeni. Fika ushita, ushebe ishita. Shita tweka. Andexelela. Jonga. Khawu double tap babo. Ayi. Bambulo ya.
Double tap the screen lapho bafethu
Double tap.
ariyeni. If you don't follow the live creator, please follow the live creator bafethu and send those gifts. Ungakhohlwa ukusenda ama gift. It's been
Zoom baba.
double tap the screen. Ubalo maza. Ubalo maza.
La yesinye.
Maza.
Umaza? What the fuck is that?
Zam. Bafethu double tap the screen. As long as ukhona live in, please tap the screen.
Shebe wakhona ngathi.
Hayi bafethu ngesohlelo shebe shita mfethu.
Topless nigga.
Correct bolo. Bafethu double tap the screen as long as usakhona live yona tap the screen.
Double tap on the screen la.
Ariyeng. Follow live creator if you don't follow live creator bafethu. Awobana bakhona. Now, generally, just join the live, please. Follow
Ngeke
live
shaye
creator.
topless nigga, double tap the screen.
Send them a gift. 5 gifts I follow you. Ngiyakurepostela.
And share the live.
Sengiyakurepostela nokukurepostela, you see. Siyasizana boss.
Double tap the screen lapho,
You
double
get a
tap
follow
the
same
screen.
time, Moshama gift. 5 gifts, you get a follow. Manje. Areng. Uphi kanti ulead by example. Uphi. Ngifuna iwani ozobabonisa ukuze ngizomfollowisha same time. Ukuze bazokwata abanye because abafuna ukusenda ama gift. If you send those gifts bafethu, I promise you,
follow
ngizoffollowisha like
back.
right now. Ngiyakfollowisha right now. Ngiyangena mangiceda le live ngiyokurepostela ama video akho ayi4. Gcwala. Five in manje. Sekathi 5 in.
Double tap the screen lapho.
Umpile double tap screen ungaluki ukuthi intwana yami. Senda ama gift bese ngithi intwana yami back. Bese intwana yami masusendela ama gift. Uyangikwatisa ukuthi la ungabe leader by example ebantwini. Mina ngabe leader by example. I send it. You send it what manje? To say she send it. You send it what?
Asibonanga thi.
Mina mfethu ungangifakela ama gift. You have to see the gifts if uwafakile. Double tap on the screen. Ompile danko phela ompile ayi5 intwana yami you can follow right now. 5 ompile times 5.
Oh, times 5.
Shota 4 manje, shota 4 gifts.
Times 5 lapho.
4 roses ompile sele ngiyakfollowisha manje. 4 roses intwana yami. 4 roses. 4 roro. Ama roses ayi4 nje. Just 4 bafethu. I follow you right now. Ariyeng guys, ariyeng. Ompile nice one.
Nice one.
Phinda phela ompile phinda. Same time ompile. Nice one.
One more.
Two more ompile. One more ompile. Danko. Ompile just got a follow bafethu. Danko ompile. Follow back. Ompile just got a follow from Utato26. Yeah, bafethu double tap the screen lapho basakhona. Double tap the screen. Danko ompile for the support ntwana yami. Sonke boy. Double tap the screen, share the live. If you are live in, please double tap the screen. Follow the live creator if you don't follow me, please. At least this support channel is home.
Double tap on lapho.
Ariyeng guys, ariyeng.
Double tap on lapho.
Send lama gift. It's only umpile mfethu. Send money sile ukuthi wenziwa kanjani mos. Yenzani phela nani? Ariyeng bafethu, ariyeng. Double tap the screen as long as sakhona. Tap the screen asiyeni guys, asiyeni. Double tap the screen, uvakasha nini bro? I don't know cause angakoma December ngizohlika yini. I don't know. I really don't know.
Double tap on lapho, double
Mara
tap on.
ngizokwazisa ni. Thatha inamba yami lapha kwibhayo. Then uzoyongitshela la ku app. Angithola usho ukuthi ubani because like it's a business number so ngizoyithatha inamba yakho la bese ngiyithola kahle ngithola. I am using a laptop bro. Oh, Ncesi, sorry. Bafethu, ompile kuphela osasigiftile yini? Ompile kuphela, ebantwini bonke kade bengasigifta kodwa. Mara bafethu, why ngekho fair? Ngathi ngisho ukuthi I'm gonna follow the person who's gonna gift me in unfun. You'll just reject me. Just like that. Flopless guys, flopless. Nami ngizoye post. Say unsupposed, ngiyagcina ukuzwa ngami. Le video ngizobe ngiyiposta manje after le live, ngiyagcina. Ngeke ngiphinde ngize nje ukuthatha post because you don't support me. Why not support angazi? Where are you from? We didn't hear you.
Afghanistan.
Yeah!
Afghanistan, my man.
That side you'll kill people, eh?
Hey, I know how you do. You play with the Draco.
You'll shoot that side.
With the
You'll
Draco.
shoot that side.
Yeah.
You'll kill, eh? You'll kill
I
that
heard
side.
how you guys handle that.
Where from?
The Glock 19 with the switch.
You'll bomb places that side there.
Africa.
You got big bombs.
Africa.
Yeah. Yeah, as well
Where
from
from
Africa,
Africa?
in South Africa. Mzansi.
South of Africa.
Mzansi.
Muslim.
What you say?
Muslim.
No. I wish to be Muslim, dog. I wish to be Muslim. I know how
Then
you all.
Muslim.
You are Muslim.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Oh, unto Allah.
We know that you
Allah.
don't use toilet
We
paper.
acknowledge and praise Allah. We acknowledge and praise Allah. How about Prophet Muhammad? Do you know Prophet Muhammad?
Muhammad.
Yeah.
They don't use toilet paper. What do they use, woman?
Merci, Katato. What you say? I know a lot of things about Muslims. You see, actually, you fall under Islam.
Alhamdulillah, Muslim.
Yeah. Do you read the Quran?
Quran,
Away. Do you know the 10 Commandments?
San Turkman.
Allah. Amdu Allah.
Allah. Alhamdulillah.
Allah. Muslim. No, bafethu vele niyabona bafethu double tap on the screen siyawina
Kanti wenzani lo? Hayi Asithepeni screen.
Do you know the Imam?
Huh?
Do you know the Imam?
Imam, I bet.
A higher priest. My father is an Imam
Ona Chato.
here in Africa.
Mashallah. Son Muslim.
Yeah.
Good. Mashallah.
That's why I say Amdu Allah.
Allah. Alhamdulillah.
Allah.
Bro, ask him about what if they use toilet paper.
Do you
use toilet paper?
Bro, la ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah.
Do you use toilet paper to wipe?
Bro. Turkey.
Toilet paper.
Toilet paper there. Bafethu bampeki ikhoni tissue there Afghanistan.
Turkey.
Hey, do you use a mug to wash your
Amana koy mana nasikira mama na koy mana nasikira.
Zubaye.
Yeah. Do you?
Good.
Okay, listen now.
Yeah.
Hello, patients. Right. Do you use that thing, You don't use toilet paper. Why? Bafethu double tap the screen. Asikhuluma nalo my guy, bafethu double tap the screen lapho.
Mama. Toria rasia kubya. Toria. Bo. Salam alaikum. Ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan.
Kodwa nina Afghanistan.
Ifuna ngibonise le yato leya.
Etsepo.
Yeki diyara bezar. Amana koyim.
I'm sure language yabo basenza amapara. Ngikutshela ivara, basenza amapara ngelanguage yabo. Tap, musukulike live ngithi tap ngekubiza. Phendula mshana.
Tsepo.
Hayi ndabuko yami mfethu. Ile bengiyekuye edubani lawa amasho. Le benginayo le. Le shama la.
Thank you.
Athi show mfethu ngidinga imali mfethu. Ngidinga imali mfethu tap umuthi show mfethu akuzwa kahle. Mina ngabe sengibonile ithi qinqini lapho kwi-bank account.
Do you know when they do that thing?
Hayi shayela bosula. Shayela bosuka banqayo wena zona. Shayela bosuka to Ronaldo bedkayo. Ronaldo khathi. Echo. Ngikhulume ini mfethu ngidinga imali. Shoda ngemali empilweni.
Ngoba nothi khuluma.
Hawu Tshepo mfethu ngidinga imali, sengikhulumile ngidinga imali. ayikho into engishota ngayo ngishota ngemali.
Money is the only thing that I want.
Hi Thato, hello lapha, right? Ubheka umuntu yo wayenza kanje ayi lama live anamhlanje doshone empini
Ufuna malini? Imiliyoni.
mfethu umkhuleko ungibuza ngifuna malini mfethu kushube kanje ayikho imali engayidingi mfethu as long as kuyimali just do it send the money niyisende kule number ngithi ngifuna imali ngidinga imali hi Thato young star mnandi
Oh my god.
Never in my life have I ever seen a white man in a woman's dress.
You guys
You
overreact.
guys, where you from? Where you from? Where you from?
Europe.
Where you from?
I leave it
Europe.
where in Europe I've been to
I didn't know that in Europe you guys you have a frontal too.
Poland.
Poland, do you know a frontal?
awungizamele umuntu omuhle
No, I don't know.
A frontal, you see what you have on your head.
It's my wig.
It's a wig.
Yeah.
Us in South Africa, we have a frontal weave.
You have nice hair naturally.
Can you remove it?
Can I see when you take it off?
No, because it's hard to.
Oh, it was installed. Us in Africa, we say we install
It's an
it.
installation.
You can see it on my profile later.
Oh, so, wait. So, do you know President? Do you know President Hitler?
It's not a
Adolf
president.
Hitler.
It's not a president.
What is he?
It's evil guy.
Hey, don't say anything about Nazi, yeah. Don't say anything about Nazi.
I don't use that. Not me.
Asibes double tap screen sibes khuluma phela bafethu. Why not double tap screen?
Yeah? What you say? So my guy, because you have a beard, just like me, you see mine.
Little bit, yes.
You took it off. So
you like guys?
you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. You have how many lollipops?
That's my lollipop flower.
Oh, so you like sucking your lollipop?
It's sweet.
It's weed.
It's sweet.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's evil guy English yakhe ifana ne.
so you
like
Oh
men?
my god, you got so many score on your stream.
What do I have? I have so many scores on my screen.
So many viewers.
Yeah, Pela, us in Africa, do you know South Africa?
Yes.
We support each
We
other.
promote something that we call Ubuntu.
What's
Say Ubuntu. Say Ubuntu.
Bundu.
Yeah. Say
can-
Ubuntu,
can you-
Ubuntu,
can we-
ngabantu.
No, wait. Can we teach you something in our language, then you teach us something in your language?
What does it even mean?
Yeah.
Ubuntu. It means unity.
Nide.
Yeah, we have each other. We understand that we only have each other as brothers and sisters. You
So
see.
request after lelo kunjani Mozu will come
So you help each other.
Yeah, us we don't kill each other. We only kill the Boers. Do you know the Boers?
Other.
Yeah,
I mean, you help each other.
yeah, we help each other. That's why we have something that we call, where we say umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu.
Oh, okay.
Say
Say umuntu.
No, I already forgot.
say
Umuntu
Umundo.
ngumuntu
Voodoo.
ngabantu.
Start again.
Oh my god, I lost the connection.
Umuntu.
I don't see you. Okay, I see you now, but your connection is not good.
Thank you for like. Thank you for like.
Let's pause. Yeah, now we see you. Yeah. Now it's
Connection
fine.
back.
Fine. Ne?
Yeah. What's on your head?
Oh, I sorry.
What
Yeah,
is
yeah,
this on your head? Yeah.
It's called Guru Nation. Guru Nation.
It looks like it's LGBT flower.
Yeah, it is, but it's a brand where we say it's a brand called Guru Nation.
Oh, okay.
We're gurus as a
Do
nation.
you know a guru?
Guru.
Do you know a guru?
Guru of what? You guru of
Yeah.
what?
Nyambona umlungu una zero views. Ay, asikhulumi kodwa ngale ndoda le. Hayi le ndoda yona ayilimele yona ekhanda. Mina
Is he your type?
Mate awungazungihlanela.
He is not.
He's not your type.
Oh, you, I know what you like. You like a tall guy with blonde hair and blue eyes, ne?
No, I don't like men.
You like women, ne?
I'm not into men.
You're into what?
Are you gay?
No.
Why?
So
what
why
happened
are
to
you wearing like this?
Because I do cross dress.
Oh, us in Africa, we don't accept that. We don't accept that. They should be wearing a wig, and they are
Why
busy.
not
They are
accept? Why
busy
not?
sucking that lollipop of yours, like you are sucking tea.
I have so many.
Ay, bafethu sivelelwe as a nation.
namhlanje
Sive, bafethu ngicela niyibheke lento le. Bafethu sina 100% boys, 100% boys ne. Okay, asithi maybe
my friend, I asked you, what's the name of that place you ate?
All right, Lahore. Say to Lahore.
Lahore.
Yes.
Have you been to South Africa?
Uyikula.
What about you guys? Now it's your turn. Where you all guys from town?
What do you mean?
Where you all guys from? Mean which province?
Johannesburg.
Where?
Aswa in Johannesburg.
From Josie Boy.
Yeah,
Josie boys,
Josie
city
boys.
boys.
The city of hustlers.
City
Shout
of
out to
money.
MT. Shout out to MT.
I'm gonna.
City of money. City of money.
City Fafa. Kunugitio.
I'm gonna play with you one song. Hey, you from Josie, you're right. I got one song for you, alright?
Bathi ngikutshela ukuthi inati lipta.
Indaba bani igama lakho buti? Bani igama?
Uzuma.
Mina nguzuma umshalozi ngamala. Yinto.
Makhanda u5.
Yeah.
Nice to have the hey, Booga, listen for this song. Booga, listen for you all.
Ay, umlungu uyasiplaga ke, ikula liyasiplaga.
But that's my friend, nangu uzongijayivela.
Jive
Everybody can. Listen. Listen.
You're listening.
That one, my friend, I can only play when I want to go to sleep. When I can't sleep.
Guys, everybody tap the screen. Guys, please. Play something.
I can only
quickly.
Jive, brother. Jive.
Play.
Dance for us.
Dance, Charlie, dance.
Bobby, show us your talent.
Share the broad.
Ay.
How's this song?
Ay. What's in this? We're also watching for
Dance.
Oh, now we smash, man. Now we smash. Pass. Now. Yeah, but tap the screen as long as it's live.
Guys, tap the screen. Please share the broad angel down. Share the broad. Share the broad angel down.
Tap the screen. Ubuchal, eshuchal, mfethu sekashlake. Bengayizolo. Ebusuku bengilandi ngithile kanjani. I was fair.
Share the
I was
broad.
fair. Tell me ufuna iplug intwana ngiphinde plug. Oye, nje malume uyazi. Malume khoya njengelazi.
Angel down.
Letha wathi letha kuphi imali zokuphathela. Ya ungithinte bethu labazi ungithinte bethu la ku app bethu sikhuluma. Like
Booty.
bethu plug
How's the song? Booty, how's the song? Booty, how's the song?
Shanam. We Phumla. Ungayeki phela masufaka one Phumla.
Phumla indaba Phumla. Yamon.
Follow manje.
Welcome my bro.
Wafaka 4 more. Just 4 more. Ngiyakufollow manje Phumla. Phumla siye phela siye.
Come on, my bro, please tap the screen. Come on, guys. Please play something, my bro.
3 more,
Play something, my bro. Play something, my bro. Play. Gonna destroy. I'm not here now.
Tell me when you're done. Tell me when you're done. Not that
Come on, guys. Guys, tap the screen, guys.
Thank you, Pendulo. Thank you, Pendulo. Pendulo. 4 more. Pendulo, 4 more gifts. Hi guys, Tandulami, right? 4 more. Pendulo, 4 more. Just 4 left. Last four, Pendulo.
Hey,
Last four. Shut the 4, Pendulo.
Yeah, my friend, we are going to Sakshaya.
2 more.
Come on, my bro, please play something.
3 more, Pendulo. 3 more, Pendulo, please. Tango,
Please.
I Phumla bafethu sakthanda.
I love you.
Play something, bro. Anito.
Hey, Mpendulo, the answer besidinga.
Asambeni. Phumla yahleka. Bafethu follow Phumla lapho, follow Phumla. Ufuna ukubona
We are losing now.
Woi, ma Ivy, ma Evi, ma Avi.
Ayika reflex lapho ku. Pendulo mara kuyashota Pendulo. Like asashota.
Hey, Phumla.
Friends yabo. Like asashota Pendulo. Like ngifuna ukusenda yabo njengolokhu njalo. Like na phela wasenda. Yamthwala.
Danko Mpendulo.
Don't send one at a time. Because manje akubonakala kahle.
Send them maybe 2 or 3 years.
Send amangaki yamthwala. That's why sithi send like
Send a 5 is a 5-star. We
at once. Who's it? Take Phumla is stuck.
we know Sucheni.
Phumla Ima wait Phumla uzophinda isigift manje. Ithi siqala imatch. Start the match lapho bafethu. Danko. Phumla yenza njalo ke. Wabonisa Phumla, show them what are you capable of. Asifane no Phumla. Bukani Phumla uzoyenzani? Masotobe. Hello.
Oh, Phumla.
Phumla, thank you, Phumla. Phumla,
Steady cowboy head.
we love you.
Steady cowboy head.
We love you.
Phumla, steady cowboy head. One cowboy head, Phumla. Cowboy head, Phumla, please.
Come on, Phumla.
Steady cowboy head, Phumla. One cowboy head, Phumla. Just one cowboy head. Babaleke. Phumla, uyabathusa Phumla.
Phumla bathuswa uwe. Thina sinex. Ngaphandle
kokhetho lusifakele lokho lokufaka
noma ungasithi double tap nje lapho nase screenini so wina Phumla. Thank you.
Star player Phumla. Asamini kawe. Oh.
Bye.
Like asamini kawe. Ariyeng bafethu. Asamini kawe head man. Shota yona. One kawe head. One kawe head ngikhan.
Share the live, Buffet, to share the live.
Share live.
And double tap the screen, love.
Yeah, double tap the baza bay too, Buffet, to double tap the screen, share the live. Double tap the screen, share the live. Double tap the screen, share the live.
Yeah, please accept it.
Accept the match, my guys. As we fight, we are fighters. Accept the match, my guys. As we fight, we are fighters. Thank you. Double tap the screen, double tap the screen. Double tap the screen. Send us screen. Double tap the screen. Double tap the screen. Send us screen. Siyabuzwa Bugla, siyabonga. Siyabuzwa Bugla, siyabonga. Thank you, Bugla. We love you. Come on, Bafethu. Come on, Bafethu. Come on, Bafethu. Come on, Bafethu. Sebashala abantu bazabayithu. Basipakela no Ginger the bread man. Yeke sokuwa ma Ginger the bread man.
Anyana babona beyithu bafethu.
Yeke so shout Ginger the bread man.
Thank you. Bani. Zena. Thank you, Zena. Kubeka four more Zena. Four more roses. Zena.
Come on, Pendulo, you can do my job.
Four more Zena.
Please like.
Four more. Double tap the screen. Arrange, guys. Share the live.
Syntax gives, guys.
Asiyen akahambi yena. Ariyeng, unabo screen live call. Double tap the screen. Ariyeng bafethu. Double tap the screen as long as you're going live in, please. Thank you, Zena. Three more, Zena. Three more. Uyabuya bafethu phuma. Uyabuya phuma bafethu.
Come on. Double tap the screen. Send us roses. Send us the cowboy hats.
It's a live at the
Come on, Bafethu. Show us love. We're showing you guys love.
Thank you, Zena.
Siyabonga Zena.
And please, set the screen and share those gifts to support the boy.
coins.
Double tap the screen. Don't forget to double tap the screen.
Tango. Kubeka. Oh, double tap.
Double tap.
Thank you. Three more.
What's going on?
We love you.
Hi, hello,
Hello, ma. How are you, mama? Fellas, come here, double tap the screen. Send us roses.
Double tap the screen. Ariyeng. Mama
Kakumo.
Hello, Mama Kakumo. Right.
Share the live, Unique. Share the live.
Mama Kakumo again. Yeah, bro.
That's so
Thank you.
Share the live. Double tap the screen. Show us love.
Let's Insta flick.
Please.
Double tap and share the live, guys.
Please.
Double tap the screen, Buffett. Double tap the screen.
Double tap the screen.
Double tap the screen up.
Double tap the screen, Buffett. Share live to 50 people if you can. As long as it's up, you share live. Share live. Yeah.
Share the live, give me share the live. Double tap.
Not signing.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Bafethu
Double tap.
Thank you for showing love.
20 plus 3.
My brother 6. We are. Ah, this is my. My brother está ali clean, ele tinha vai. The battery is on for PC, bro.
Tip.
Double tap on the screen, love. Double
Send
tap
us
on the screen.
roses.
We have machine, is it? Kanje. Yes. Thanda ukumemeza mngani. Ngisho yona ukuthi lethani.
Sinyana lapha.
Yeah?
Nyana lapha.
When? Send a gift. Send a gift. Ariyeng. Double tap the screen. Shell lama roses. Ariyeng bafethu. Sengisho ke cowboy head, angiyibona cowboy head ngisibonile namhlanje spy. Mari cowboy head angitholanga. Ariyeng bafethu, ariyeng. Share the live.
Send down my rose. Send down your game.
5 roses we follow you right now.
Send everything. We need everything. Double tap the screen. Share the live.
Ariyeng bafethu.
Share the live, Buffett.
Share the live. Asiyambeni. Yo.
Double tap.
Asambeni bafethu,
Ambani Rory.
Double tap
Oh.
the screen, love.
Asambeni bafethu, double tap the screen.
Double tap. Sambeni Buffett kumele sibashayele abantu bayi3 manje bavuthile.
Double tap the screen, love.
Ariyeng
Double
bafethu, double tap the screen. Share the live.
Double tap. Tap.
For the live
Tap it
creator
out.
bafethu.
Tap it out.
Nibonile mos ukuthi abanye sabafollowisha if bafethu nisenda ama gift. Ngiyabona ukuthi ngiyabafollowisha bafethu.
Tap.
Now. Fani nabanye, get a follow
Double
from
tap the
us.
screen.
Ariyeng bafethu. Ariyeng.
Arian, double tap the screen, love.
Thank you for the follow. Pendulo phela shaya ngokuqina pendulo.
Double tap, Pendulo. Double tap. Ukuthi awusena next double tap. We have to win this one.
We have to win pendulo.
Double tap.
As long as you call it like
Tumeleng, you just join. Please double tap.
If you just joined this live, please double tap the screen. Ariyeng guys, ariyeng. Asami mafethu, double tap the screen.
Double tap.
Send those gifts. Angawabona ama gift, angisawabona ama gift guys. Gift the boy. Ariyeng. Gift the boys guys.
Gift win.
The rain.
Independent course.
Ngomntana she's confident. Yo, make confidence. Yo.
That's our African woman.
Yeah, bafethu.
Those are our African women.
Double tap the screen. Let's destroy these African women. We love African women, but
Our
just
African
for manje,
queens.
let's just destroy her.
We're not destroying her in a bad manner. We're just destroying him in a for ukungifaka lezulu. Double tap.
Ariyeng.
Tap.
Tap the screen.
Tapper.
Tap the screen. So, perfect. Double tap the screen. Full life creator of it. Ariyeng, send those gifts.
Hey, yipi ubaleke naye.
Ngekuthathe. Double tap the screen.
Ngoba ngimnyama. Racist lefone. Racist. Yake khintweni jonga.
It's called a floppy bean.
Yeah, it's a floppy bean. Sorry. Siyahlanya Pendulo. Please double tap.
Pendulo mara. Lama gift wakho Pendulo. Shota ngawo.
Double tap, crazy girl. You just joined. Please double tap.
Hayi wena Tsila. Tap screen lapho lwenibangela umsili wena bafana. Funa into esinibangela umsili. Yeah?
Uzwe kahle.
Yo oxumuhle kanje man.
Double tap.
Double tap the screen. Ngiyazi nikhathele bafethu mara yo bafethu nathi siyanicela. Double tap the screen. If you just join the live bafethu. Okay, why is he wearing a bag
In the house. Nobody's holding a bag. Oh, you mean this
Side
bag?
bag.
It's a side bag. He has no bag.
Manje rimbi ngina mama side bag ukuza ukusho lesicoko sami.
Oh, uthi wagqo isiqondini okonje amaXhosa awafuni vele ugqo isiqondini.
Ngempela? Ngiyadinga vele njalo Ox. Nangu phela umkhaya wakho. Esicele lapha.
Ngithini? Okay now.
Hi, Chris. Girl, please double tap the screen. Double tap.
Double tap the screen lapho.
If you just join the live, please double tap the screen. Floppy head. No, floppy
B.
Floppy beanie.
It's a beanie, not a head. If you just join the live, please double tap the screen, send those gifts. Of a turning send them gift in permanently live, yeah. A listing pumeng follow Shidu Mont.
Olwando uyasihleka. Please double tap.
Double tapani lapho. Uhleka nolwandle. Double tap the screen lapho.
Ashimani.
I was typing English since you don't understand. Now we understand.
Yes, I understand. Because what is going on?
Me, I'm Zuma, my guy. Me, I'm Zuma. Who's asking? Oh, Mpendulo. Me, I'm Zuma. That's my name. Mastera AF and F.
Yo, Nasi Scope.
Mastera AF and F. TikTok yami it's Mastera _ AF and F.
Send up a gift up Orlando.
Faka ama-gift up.
Ngapho uthe uzofika nini?
Double tap the screen.
Silungisele izinto zethu.
Ufaka ama-gift. Double tap the screen.
Zakho Ox.
Ulwandi liyakubo.
Double tap the screen lapho boy. Faka ama-gift.
Where do you come from in Eastern Cape, boy?
Hawu, ngisuke eMatatiyeli mina.
Kuphi nendawo eMatatiyeli inga?
Hawu, eMaloti.
Yeah, ngisho kanjalo. Usuke eMaloti.
Ematati.
Mina ngisuke eGqeberha.
Okay, mthanami.
Uzuma ubuye eGqeberha.
Nami ngisuka phaqi.
Mina ngibuye eCofa Imvaba. Ngiyazi iCofa Imvaba. Next week boboza. Nathi
mthanami.
On khuleka hlezi sikhona.
Ish.
Bashima.
We are destroying our African queen here.
Mina
Steak
spread.
Mfana wasestep.
Ayo fethi ngiyabonga ne. You'll try it.
Thank you for your support.
You'll try it. As you can see. But icon hand. That's all about Fetu. Thank you for the live, Fetu. We're gonna do another live tomorrow. So let's try to share my live Ganji almost every day you see. So please support the boys, follow them every day. We're just having fun. Nothing much. If komuntu osikhulumile into buye or feel sengathi imphathi kahle, sorry about that. Mara otherwise Bafethu. Sesibona.
Emureni.
Sibona kusasa. Hawu mata ngithi kususa lento ngiletha la ngenxa.
For everything. Ama-gift
Ama-gift.
Thank you for the support.
Niyazwa. Bashimani ngihambe guys. Buza kunini? I'm in the dark. Phuka yami. Afethu, I was asking you to ngihambe. Relax, ngisazobuya mele kushaya umoya vele la. Mele ngingangeni nolokhu njani senginokilokhu njani. Angithwala.